Fake installs, which is also called SDK spoofing. And what we have seen so far, click spamming was one of the most common type of ad fraud, and nowadays we are also seeing increasing activity for SDK spoofing. SDK spoofing, these fraudsters, they are creating this fake installs, fake engagements, leveraging real device data, which makes it almost impossible to identify this fraud type because they're leveraging this real device data. So overall, what we need to do here is, since SDK spoofing is a quite sophisticated form of ad fraud, right? So we need to implement some certain fraud prevention technology, not just for detect, but also prevent these fraudulent activities. And we need to do this regular auditing our marketing campaigns, analyzing traffic. I truly believe in transparency. So if you can share this data with your partners, they can also take actions proactively. And lastly, we need to educate our teams, marketing teams, product teams, so that they can be also aware of what are the latest fraud tactics, for instance, and they can come up with some specific solutions.